video I'm going to show you guys how to transfer files from a local computer to Raspberry Pi using FileZila. For that, we need to first connect Raspberry Pi to our computer using a free software called Putty. For this connection, we need to make sure that Raspberry Pi and our PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. We first open FileZila. Once the connection is successful, then we'll enter the hostname as Raspberry Pi. The username will be Pi and the password will be Raspberry. The port can be 22. Now let's hit enter. Once the FileZila makes successful connection with Raspberry Pi, then the Raspberry files will appear on the right of FileZila and our local files will appear on the left. Now whatever files we want to transfer from the local files to Raspberry can be just drag and drop from its location on the left to the desirable location on the right side. Here, I already made a folder named blank files in my D drive, and now I will add it to my Raspberry Pi by doing the same as I said before, that is, dragging and dropping it from its location to the desirable location in the Raspberry section. So this message shows that the transfer is finished successfully, and we can check it by double-clicking here, and we can see that in Pi, in this bookshelf folder, there is my blank files folder added successfully. So that's all for the transfer.